Time is money. I can't waste any of it. That's why I need a fuss-free, efficient and powerful engine. It's harder and harder to find good operators, so I need a tractor which is easy to use. I need a tractor which is as versatile as my job. On one day I might need it for feeding, manure spreading, mowing, transporting and loading bales. I have many machines and even more operators. To be really efficient, I need a tool that helps me to know where each machine is and what it's doing at the moment. Recently, harvesting conditions have changed dramatically, so I need a tractor which is absolutely reliable and has an outstanding lighting package. As some of my clients are located further away, I need fast, efficient tractors with good suspension and great operator comfort. Get more in one with the new 7R. Are you ready for more power and efficiency? The John Deere 7R series tractor features a low-emission engine and filter solution that complies with Stage 3B regulations without compromising on power output. In fact, with intelligent power management, you can get up to 310 horsepower. The secret is John Deere's uncomplicated PowerTech engines. Thanks to the one fluid solution from John Deere, there's no need for an extra fluid to add, diesel only. And thanks to John Deere green efficiency, you won't be filling up on fuel very often either. Save time, save money, and save space thanks to the impressive power density. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. Are you ready for more comfort and convenience? Open your eyes to outstanding visibility in the Command View 2 cab with optional active seat or hydraulic cab suspension to ensure a smooth and steady ride. The new hydraulic cab suspension also anticipates loads and braking forces to maintain cab balance. Thanks to the Triple Link Suspension Plus, you get more power to the ground both in the field and on the road. With the optional Green Star 3 Command Center touch display, you have full control at your fingertips. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. Are you ready for more agility and attachability? The fully integrated front hitch of the 7R series tractors has up to 5,200 kilograms for heavy work. To make sure you get the power you need up front, factory-installed front PTO supports remote engagement. The compact structural chassis makes the 7R particularly easy to maneuver, ideal for heavy front-loader work. And for heavy draft requirements, the 7R series rear hitch has a lift capacity of up to 11,300 kilograms. The 7R series is so versatile. It's also ideal for many non-agricultural applications as well. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. Are you ready for more technology and profitability? Save money and get the most out of your agriculture management solutions with the John Deere iPackage. It includes all the hardware you need for automation, as well as AutoTrack and Business Pack. If you have a fleet of tractors, simply log in on the JD Link website to stay connected with your machines. Monitor where and in which fields your tractors are located and analyze machine performance online. Use John Deere telematics to work more efficiently and profitably. Business Pack is an automated documentation tool that delivers precise job, fuel and transport documentation. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. At the end of the day, productivity is dependent on your operator's well-being. That's what makes John Deere's award-winning active command steering such a revolution. Whether in the field or on the road, the system proactively reduces steering effort. Active command steering includes dynamic stability control, which automatically adjusts the road wheel angle for improved vehicle control and line holding ability. Variable ratio steering adjusts both the resistance of the steering wheel and the number of times you need to turn from lock to lock depending on the ground speed. The full electronic steering control removes intolerances of a conventional steering system and reduces hand wheel movement by 75%. Another productivity booster is the 360-degree lighting concept. When days get shorter, you can see perfectly at night in all directions thanks to deep illumination. Optionally, an additional 5 xenon lights may be added as well. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. Are you ready for more mobility and versatility? The 7R series is also the ideal choice when frequent transport is required. The immense power density and the TLS plus axle make transport work easy. Choose from 4 different transmission options depending on your needs, ranging from Power Quad to the new and optimized Auto Power for maximum fuel efficiency. The new Command Quad transmission delivers smooth performance and reduced fuel consumption. The 7R series rear PTO strategy is also about getting more for less. Choose from 4 rear PTO speeds. Improve tractor traction and minimize soil compaction with the optionally available tires with an extra large diameter. Get more in one with the new John Deere 7R series tractors. More in one, the new John Deere 7R series tractors. Are you ready?